Mojabeng I am a pageant queen, a model, an influencer, an ambassador of many brands, and I recently just graduated from my master's in public health. Yay, right? I'm passionate about three things. Achieving universal health coverage, because I believe that the socio-economic status of anybody should not determine what their health status is like. And two, the development of the youth. I lend my hand, my aid, my services any day of the week, any day of the year towards the development of the youth. Three, I'm very passionate about success, in particular the success of women, because I believe that we are multifaceted, we are powerful, and we are very talented. So whatever we set our hearts to, we can achieve. August is a very special month for me. It's Women's Month, International Youth Day is within the month, and it's my birth month. That is why I'm so thrilled to share with you my values, my beliefs, some of the words that I live by, but basically what makes me the inspirational person that I am. Dear woman with dreams, show your heart in everything that you do. Let your ambition lead you. Your determination should be your driving force. The other woman's success should not intimidate you. Instead, it should inspire you. Validation is important, but do not depend on it for motivation. Your passion is what should push you. Be consistent, be free, be honest, live your life, live wild, reach for your dreams, dream big, dream bigger than big. You deserve it. You can do it. You can do whatever you want to do. Nobody's gonna stop you. Most importantly, be you. And from me, Mojabeng and your DUNNS family, happy Women's Month.